I'm just asking for cats with passion in this. Is there any left? Action and cameras flashing, I ain't getting any rest. When I'm unrecognizable, I'm still undeniable. They just feel my presence and say that's that nigga X. Yes, and please do not confuse it. I got ADD, so I'm the meaning of a movement. Niggas try to improvise while I try to improve it. Take a look inside just so I can outdo it. Nice on the mic, but I'm making the meanest music. If they call it garbage, I swear I'm making the cleanest sewage. If my flow was in a purple top, the fiends would probably lose it. The jocks would try to juice it, and nerds would try to fuse it. Tired of trying to make these labels understand that I'm the whole package like your mail has already ran. Stay sunning rappers, hope you faggots need a tan. Call me Adam, cause you know that I'm the man. Right hand in the sky, I put this on the Bible. I'ma fly high, cause I am undeniable. This is indescribable, take it where you gotta go. And I just thought y'all should know. My right hand in the sky, I put this on the Bible. I'ma fly high, cause I am undeniable. This is indescribable, take it where you gotta go. And I just thought y'all should know that I am undeniable. Yeah, I make my entrance on that ramp, and all I wanna do is see they hands. I consider you fans. Whoops, in and am I close together? I meant to say I consider you fam, but I'm so out there. Just to conversate, you need a stamp. Life is real, even for a cell phone, you need a plan. But what I really am, most people don't understand. So I end up becoming spam. Get it? Oh my lordy, pushing 40, will I quit it? Or end up like Randy the Ram? My son doesn't visit, the glory years are distant, until a little kid says, look, that's the champ. I try to see what they see, I get it. You hear music every day, but you cannot hear my tape and say that my shit is not crazy. 20 mixtapes later, I am still not lazy, and red lights still don't break. Right hand in the sky, I put this on the fire.